So with just under 92,000 miles on my car, I ran over a pointy object in the middle of the tread, and when you do that, you can use a patch to fix it. So you can see that big fat thing stuck in my tire there. So what I did was I picked up the Deluxe Tire Plug kit from Slime. You poke the hole clean with that, and then you use the eye of the needle there, thread it up with some of this magical tire patching string, and then you cover it with rubber cement, you shove it into the tire, and you rip it out. And that process went really well and resulted in the plug you see here, which I cut the ends off with some scissors. And now we're going to take a look at it 500 miles later and see if the Slime Deluxe Tire Plug kit actually did the job or not. So for proof, just in case you think this is fake news, there you go. We're at 92,516 miles on the freeway. Don't video and drive, kids. And if we go down and find the hole, first of all, I haven't had to put any air in this tire since then. It's obviously still round on the bottom. And there you go, looking like a big fat jelly bean stuck in my tire tread is the patch, still doing its job. There's a rock stuck in it, but I don't think that's going to do any damage. So big thumbs up. The Slime Deluxe Tire Patch Kit has worked for 500 miles.